With the sudden onset of COVID pandemic, our entire country came to a standstill. We've gone through different phases like fear, shock, acceptance, resistance, and have learned to stay at home for days and even months together. With everything getting impacted adversely, we at Athak weren't any exception. For the first 8 to 10 months, we weren't able to work for the cause at a level which we would have otherwise worked. We were getting restless and started brainstorming ways about how we could remotely make an impact on the society. With an intention to educate kids about hazards of plastic pollution, we organized an online drawing competition where kids would have to think and come up with a creative drawing depicting the issue of plastic pollution. Okay, so what was this competition all about? This competition was conducted for kids of pre-primary, primary and secondary age groups. The topic for pre-primary was different types of plastic waste generated at home. For primary, ways of reducing plastic use. And for secondary, there were two topics: My Plastic, My Responsibility or My Vision, Me Plastic and World. Kids were supposed to draw, color and fill the Google form along with uploading their paintings. We were overwhelmed with the response that we received, and we were forced to make our winning criteria very stringent. Concept, topic representation, execution, that is coloring and neatness, originality, that is not copied from the internet, and independent execution were the four main criteria that were used to come up with the winners. 3 experts from the art field volunteered to judge this competition, and we are thankful to them for helping us arrive at the winners. We organized the prize distribution ceremony for these talented winners, keeping in mind the COVID restrictions. All the winners and their parents were invited for this ceremony. This event was witnessed by Chief Guest Mrs. Padmaja Kale Madam, who is a social worker, Mrs. Varsha Deshpande Madam, who is the principal of SMPR School, and one of our judges, Mrs. Kavita Redkar Madam. Post distribution of prizes, we briefed all attendees about our work and our mission of Zero Garbage City. Our chief guest and judge gave their valuable guidance to the students present out there. The event was concluded with a pledge by everyone to work towards creating plastic pollution-free environment. Hopefully, with this competition, we were able to create awareness amongst kids all over India. Hoping to see many more plastic warriors joining this mission. Thank you.